Alright, I hope I know what I'm doing. We're gonna take this off. This is the Kenmore strip, this is the bad LED. Needs to come off. I'm gonna put a little bit of flux on it, around it. I don't know, maybe that'll be enough. I think I know what I'm doing. Turn on the hot air. It looks like it's headed up to 480 degrees Celsius. That seems like too much. Does it need to be that hot? I think I was doing something kind of crazy with it before. That's why I had it that high. Let's just try like, I don't know, 430. So we're gonna heat it up, and we're gonna use the old tweezers. And once it's where it should be, it should kind of just slide right off with the tweezers. I have it on a piece of metal so I don't melt my desk. Well, yep, there it comes. So as you can see, it starts to, kind of yellow, and I guess that's still just the flux. But if you hold it on there long enough, you'll start to burn stuff. But there's the culprit. Let's see, I don't think it'll focus on it. That's the bad guy, and that's the easy part. So the hard part's coming up next.